Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve took too much space on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve took too much space on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3. Then you can go to first tab and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.